Welcome to Top Deals Point. Today we're counting down the top 5 multicolor 3D printers that are absolutely worth your money. From impressive speed to stunning color output, these machines are changing the game. But which one takes the #1 spot? Stick around because the answer might surprise you. Check the links in the description to grab the best deals. At number 5, we kick things off with the Anycubic Kobra 3 Max combo. This is honestly one of the more impressive large-format multicolor printers available right now. With a massive 420 by 420 by 500 millimeter build volume and speeds hitting up to 600 millimeters per second, it's built for people who are serious about production, whether that's cosplayers, small business owners, or advanced hobbyists who are tired of babysitting smaller machines. The multicolor combo system opens up creative possibilities that used to require much pricier setups, and the auto-leveling paired with smart vibration compensation means you're spending less time troubleshooting and more time actually printing. The PEI plate makes part removal genuinely painless. On the downside, the sheer size demands dedicated space. The learning curve for multicolor dialing is real, and the price reflects that this isn't an entry-level purchase. But compared to competitors like Bambu Lab or Creality, Anycubic delivers comparable performance at a more accessible price point, and that's hard to ignore. Coming in at number 4, it's the Flashforge AD5X. This is a capable multicolor FDM printer that punches reasonably well for its price bracket. Supporting up to 4 colors through its intelligent filament system, it handles color transitions smoothly without the constant manual intervention older multicolor setups demanded. The 600 millimeters per second max speed is impressive on paper, and the fully automatic leveling genuinely reduces setup frustration for beginners and experienced users alike. A 300-degree nozzle temperature means you're not limited to just PLA. Engineering materials become accessible too. That said, the 220 by 220 by 220 millimeter build volume is notably modest, especially compared to the Bambu Lab A1 Mini or Anycubic's larger offerings, which could be a deal breaker for anyone printing bigger parts. It's clearly aimed at hobbyists, educators, and creatives who want multicolor capability without overwhelming complexity or cost. Where it stands out is the balance between feature set and approachability. It's genuinely one of the friendlier multicolor machines to actually live with daily. At number 3, we've got the Adventurer 5M. This is one of those machines that actually lives up to its beginner-friendly label without feeling dumbed down. Running at up to 600 millimeters per second with a direct drive extruder hitting 280 degrees, it handles a solid range of materials beyond just basic PLA, which gives it longer-term value as your skills grow. Auto-leveling works reliably here, and the PEI build plate makes removing finished prints genuinely effortless. The 8.7 by 8.7 by 8.7 inch build volume is comfortable for most everyday projects without being overwhelming to manage. Where it gets interesting is the multicolor capability, something rarely offered at this accessibility level. The main drawbacks are that the build volume won't satisfy anyone needing larger prints, and the multicolor system has a learning curve despite the beginner positioning. Compared to Bambu Lab A1 Mini, the Adventurer 5M holds its ground on price and usability, making it a genuinely smart pick for homes, schools, and casual makers. Just missing out on the top spot at number 2 is the Bambu Lab A1. This is the kind of printer that makes you wonder why you ever struggled with cheaper machines. Multicolor printing is handled smoothly through the AMS light system. Full auto-calibration removes nearly every manual setup headache, and active flow rate compensation means your prints come out consistently clean without constant tweaking. Running at under 48 decibels, it's genuinely quiet enough for home offices or classrooms without becoming a distraction. Multicolor capability through the AMS light system works reliably and opens up creative possibilities that most entry-level machines simply can't offer. The obvious trade-off is build volume. It's noticeably smaller than the standard A1, which rules it out for larger projects. The closed ecosystem and proprietary consumables add long-term cost. It's clearly aimed at hobbyists, educators, and serious makers who want reliable multicolor results without the usual frustration. For that audience specifically, very few machines compete meaningfully at this price. And finally, the #1 spot goes to the Bambu Lab A1 Mini. This is genuinely one of the easiest multicolor printers to recommend for anyone just getting started or working with limited desk space. Setup takes around 20 minutes. Full auto calibration handles the technical heavy lifting, and active flow rate compensation keeps print quality consistent without requiring constant attention. The sub-48 decibel noise level means it fits comfortably in bedrooms, offices, or classrooms without becoming a distraction. Multicolor capability through the AMS light system works reliably and opens up creative possibilities that most entry-level machines simply can't offer. The obvious trade-off is build volume. It's noticeably smaller than the standard A1, which rules it out for larger projects. The closed ecosystem and proprietary consumables add long-term cost. It's clearly aimed at hobbyists, educators, and serious makers who want reliable multicolor results without the usual frustration.